Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Beach Buggy Racing game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your graphic settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Beach Buggy Racing game on your device, and once you have completed the tutorial levels, you will gain access to the main menu. Now from here, tap on Settings at the bottom left corner, and then you can find the Graphics option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will show you the Resolution option as well as Advanced Settings. To get higher resolution, set this slider to maximum, and then you can go into the Advanced Settings option as well. Now if you notice any lag in performance, with all of these settings enabled and everything set to high, then you can try reducing them as well. Try unchecking water correction as well as water reflection, and you can set the shader complexity to low or medium. If you choose the high option, you can define the individual parameters and the level of details using the slider for the shadows as well. After choosing your desired options, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic options within the Beach Buggy Racing game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.